Final expenses life insurance helps with the cost of services when you die. So let's talk about what those are, how this form of life insurance works, and how much it costs. Now, if you thought it's been weird talking about your death in a hypothetical sense, get ready, because now we're gonna talk about that point when you're like, definitely dead. Because that's what we mean by final expenses. We're talking about your funeral, burial, casket, cremation, tombstone, or other expenses that occur when you die. In fact, given the nature of this topic, we might wanna dress a little bit more appropriately. Might also want to cue some different music. That's better. Listen, everyone dies, and when we do, these final expenses will occur. To put it in real numbers, the average American funeral costs about $10,000. Now, there's probably gonna be a group of family, friends, loved ones, maybe a spouse, that are under a lot of emotional stress at the time of your passing. What people tend to want to avoid is that group of grieving individuals becoming responsible for paying $10,000. But how does it work? A final expenses life insurance policy is essentially a smaller version of a whole life policy. If you have no clue what a whole life policy is, you can click right here. In a nutshell though, it means you'll be paying the monthly premiums for this policy for the rest of your life. But unlike a whole life policy, final expenses life insurance policies are not going to pay out in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Final expenses life insurance policies pay out anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 specifically for things like funerals. So how much does it cost? There are two major factors that will dictate how much your final expenses life insurance is going to cost: your age and your health. You'll find that most people that pay for a final expenses life insurance policy are anywhere between the ages of 55 and 75 years old. But that's actually a pretty broad age range. And moreover, people can be in a lot of different states of health through those years. As a result, the best way to find out how much a final expenses life insurance policy could cost you is to consult with a licensed insurance agent in your state. And wouldn't you know it, we just happen to have the website of one right here. So that's enough of that. And hope you don't mind if I change the tunes back. If you found this video to be slightly informative and not totally ridiculous, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, check out some of our other videos to learn more about the other types of life insurance that are out there. Until next time, enjoy living life intelligently.